Well, we've been hanging out here with Richard for a few minutes, and he has a really cool 2018, it looks like a vintage travel trailer, but it's not. It's actually brand spanking new, along with a Tacoma that he's building out that eventually is going to have a roof tent that pops off the side, but he's actually got a slider and a whole bunch of other stuff going on here. And the inside of this little trailer, I know I've showed you a few of these little retro trailers and just a lot with no one living in them, but he has it actually dolled up inside, and it looks like a little cabin, it's like a cross between a 50s diner and a cabin. So let's look inside, guys. Well, let's start off with the truck and the Lear topper here. It's a Tacoma 4-wheel drive, and I really like this little accessory in the back. It actually is a slider, and it just pulls out. There we go. Just kind of slides out very easily. Got all the jacks mounted on the inside. If you have a Tacoma, that's really nice to be able to slide all your stuff out and get to the stuff in the back when you have one of these toppers on. He's going to be putting on a roof tent. Of course, he's got the rack up top with the water jugs. They're going to be going inside. Of course, the tread tracks right here in the front. Good combo on the truck. So he's going to use this basically as his little overland vehicle. And he can tow the trailer, so he'll have the best of both worlds, be able to take the truck out and the trailer out. So that works. Well, since you got to see the truck, let's look around the outside of this little vintage trailer here. Just looks too cute.
Okay, let's take a look inside.
This is a retro Riverside 177 SE. And like I said, it looks a lot different than if you just showed up at the dealership and bought one of these. Look how cute he has it all set up. Nice and personable in here.
The bed comes up and there's lots of storage underneath the bed.
Yeah, I'll back up here for you to see that. Just pops up with plenty of storage underneath. Cute little kitchen area here. No oven, but a 2-burner stove, but a microwave. Full AC.
Flat back.
Even the bathroom. And this little nook over here is the cutest. Nice little spot to sit. And of course, all the happy wife, happy life. So, all the little things in here is what makes it homey. And that's the difference, guys. I love when I see someone is actually taking the time to make their little camper into a little home. He does live here temporarily while he is working. They do have a couple other homes, but this is home to him while he's working here in the area, and it works out perfectly. Well, I hope you enjoyed checking out this vintage travel trailer. We're still heading south to the van build. Till the next one, please like,
comment,
and subscribe.
Check us out on Instagram and Patreon.
Hit the bell for more notifications, and
And
we'll
we'll
see you in the next one.